everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in, and if you are a subscriber, thank you for returning. I appreciate all your support. Tonight I'm going to do a set of resin coasters that I am mixing half and half black and white. I've got my resin mixed and I am adding some white gesso to one of my cups and some black metallic paint to my other. I'm going to mix a batch of white and a batch of black, and then I'm going to pour 2 coasters with the white, 2 with the black, and then I have some wood heart inserts that I'm going to place in after they've sat up for about a good hour. That way the insert won't sink, but it will adhere to the resin so that I can do another layer on top. So stick with me. I hope you enjoy this video. These have set up for about, I'd say a good hour. I'm gonna go ahead and insert my wood cutouts. Aren't those the cutest? I got these off of Amazon. Really adorable. They're wood and they're painted. And I'm going to gently set them in here and the resin will be sticky enough to where it will make the wood love sign adhere. I used the link from Sandra Lett's channel when she made a set of these heart coasters, and the link was to the Amazon store where I purchased them. Set up this morning, and you can see that it was just tacky enough when I put the inserts in that they sank down just enough to where they're almost in there 100%, but still protruding. So one little layer of resin is going to cover these completely. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but they're in there. You barely can feel the lip. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix another coat of, or another batch of resin now, and I'm gonna add, I think, gold glitter to them. I thought about adding a little pigment powder, but I don't think I want to do that. I think I'm gonna add some gold and just give these a nice layer on top, and it's gonna give them some pretty shimmer. I'm not sure if I should do gold or if I should do like a white. I think gold is going to be nice. These are going to be as a set, so that you'll have two black and the two white, so the gold's going to tie them in together, I think. And then we'll do the rims around with the gold leaf and pen. So here we go with another layer. All set up. Backs are just nice and white. You can see the layers. I think I might actually, instead of using the gold leafing pen, I might try to use the gold leafing sheets and just kind of do the sides with that, not to where it's heavily coated, but just, you know, lightly tapped on there to kind of give it a different effect. I'm not sure yet, but I might give that a try just to see. So there's that one. And then the black ones. Just a nice solid black back. Pretty. Yeah, I think I might try that gold leafing on the side. I'm not sure how it's going to work. I might do a little bit of research before I go ahead and do that, but I think it would look really pretty. Instead of being a heavily solid line of gold, I think the gold leafing just kind of tapped on would be really nice. So I'm gonna probably let these cure for another 24 hours though before I mess with them. They still just feel a tiny bit tacky, just a little bit. And like I said, I was using a new resin this time. My East Coast resin wasn't gonna get here fast enough, it looked like. And so I decided to try this brand. Even though it seems like it takes a little bit longer to cure, I have noticed that when I do my second layer, after the first layer has hardened up, that I don't get air bubbles on the side with this resin. And no matter what I did with the East Coast resin, even though I would heat it up to pop all those air bubbles, I would still have air bubbles on the sides here with the other resin. This one is smooth. No issues with air bubbles. So I think I'm happier with this resin. I might stick with the Pro Marine over the East Coast, to be honest. Here they are, all finished and sparkly and beautiful. I love these. The black ones are my favorite. I really like the black. They're just gorgeous. So they are for sale. They'll be in my Etsy store. If you'd like to check out my Etsy link, it's in the description box down below. Y'all have a great Sunday. It's Super Bowl Sunday here, so I'm gonna get these all wrapped up and then I'm gonna go get my game shirt on. Go Chiefs!